How's it going, guys? Yomtosh here, back with another video, and I thought I'd do a compilation video of all the jailbreak tweaks I found the best in the month of May. And yeah, we'll just go through most of them, or rather all of them I've picked out right now. And the first one is CCSupport, and CCSupport is pretty cool because you can rearrange all your CC icons, and I found this very useful. As you can see, I have my slider on the left, so my brightness slider on the left, my volume slider on the right, and every other thing just below it, and it looks pretty neat, so I really like that. And we'll just go on to the next tweak, and this one is called Rooster, and Rooster basically allows you to disable notifications from your 3D touch menu, and it's really handy when you want to disable notifications on the fly. So yeah, that's really cool. And the next one is Artsy, and I'll just head into music right now and play a song. So Artsy, basically on your lock screen, it shows you the cover art inside the area right there. I actually have a dark background right now, so it's difficult to see this, but yeah, Artsy is pretty cool. And the next one is Photos Timeline, and Photos Timeline basically gives you a little notification, or rather a little tag on the side that tells you what month and what year you're scrolling through. So yeah, that's pretty cool, and you can change the color at will, so that's another one I really like. And by the way, all these tweaks are pretty much the tweaks I actually keep on my phone, so those are the ones I consider best. And the next one is called PowerCC Modules, and PowerCC Modules basically allows you to add extra icons to your control center. So right now the only one I have is safe mode, which is the only one I actually find useful, but you do have the ability to like set reboot and stuff like that. I'll just show you quickly. So yeah, control center, and yeah, so you have like other buttons such as reboot, so that's one of them. Respring is another one, shutdown is another one, and just a bunch of other ones. I believe there are also apps that actually come with this, so a few apps, as well as screenshots as well. I think screenshots is also here. So yeah, that's PowerCC Modules. And the next one is CCAlarm ETA, and it basically gives you an estimation of your next alarm time, so that's pretty cool. It stays right there in your control center, so that's pretty handy when you need that and when you're trying to regulate how many hours of sleep you're trying to get, so that's pretty cool. The next one is miscellaneous settings, and I've actually mentioned this a bunch of times now in the other Jailbreak Wednesday videos. And MiscSettings has been wonderful. There's so many tweaks inside MiscSettings. I probably won't go into detail because I already did that in my previous Jailbreak Wednesday video, but you can do so many edits. It's kind of like Springtomize and Hide Me X, so that's pretty cool. And the next one is Smart Low Power Mode, and this basically allows you to do stuff like lock your device and go into low power mode, or automatically allow your device go into low power mode without having to set anything, so that's pretty cool. And also disable the low power alerts as well, so if that gets in your way maybe when you're doing stuff, that's pretty cool. I think this is probably one of the most handy tweaks out there. And another mention I'd like to make is TwittomizerXI. That's a pretty good tweak as well. And the final tweak is MiscSettings. So you probably saw this when I opened the music player, but it gives you this nice visualizer over here, and I pretty like it. It's not very intrusive and it's not really buggy at all. The waveflow I had before was pretty buggy, and it actually said beta up there, so that wasn't very appealing, but this one is pretty nice. I'm not sure if you can change the color. I think you can. I'll probably leave it like in the corner if you can change the color, but yeah, that's pretty cool. And yeah, that's the best of May, so if you haven't seen these tweaks yet, make sure you check them out. They're all great tweaks. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.